Bybit is the most trusted crypto exchange in the world. Starting crypto journey with Bybit Exchange is your best decision. In today's video, I will show you how to create Bybit account in Australia. To create an Bybit account, first of all, download the Bybit app from Play Store or App Store. If not found, then download and install the APK file from Bybit website. I will provide the official download link in the video description. After opening the Bybit app, click on Sign Up button. Then enter your email ID here. After that, you will have to set a strong 8-character password, which should contain one uppercase and lowercase letter and one number. After entering the password, click on Referral Code. The referral code is UNLOCK. You must enter this code to get maximum crypto benefits and save trading fees. After filling the all details, tick here and click on Sign Up button. Then a 6-digit verification code will come on your email. Enter that code here. Welcome to Bybit. We will complete the identity verification process later. Now tap on Skip. Guys, you have received a massive welcome bonus. Now go to Reward Hub. Complete the task step by step to enjoy the welcome bonus. For example, if you complete identity verification within 4 days of account opening, then you will get 20 USDT, which you can use to pay trading fee. Deposit and trade $100 within 15 days to get 30 USDT. By completing multiple tasks like this, you can enjoy massive welcome bonuses. Friends, now you can verify your account with your national identity card, passport, or driver's license. I have already made a video on this topic. I will provide the YouTube video link in this video description. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. So, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more update.